What's up YouTube? It's your girl Flawless Britny here back with another video. So first I'm just going to start off by styling my edges. This step is obviously optional and I just do all types of swoops and swirls, very much baby boop around the edges, very much. I don't care, like I don't even call it baby hairs, I just call it edges because that's what it is. And at least I have edges. Once I'm finished with my edges, I'm just going to go ahead and add some of that same edge product to the perimeter of my braids, and then I'm just going to part it how I like it and then braid it. And I'm going to add a rubber band on the end of each braid. So then I'm going to take this strap from the hair that I'm using for my quick weave and add some edge gel to the roots of it and cut off the weft. That's about how much I use, and that's about how much hair I'm going to use for the side. This step is also optional. This is mostly for people who have short to medium hair and you want your so-called leave out to match the curly hair in the back. So as you can see, I'm just attaching it with 2 rubber bands, and then I'm going to go ahead and braid down the rest of my hair that's going to be covered up by the curly quick weave. The girls was going in on me about not using a wig cap, but I did use Protective Shield liquid cap and it went viral on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. So it's a hit, very much a hit. But it's just because it was so many people telling me that I'm very bold for not using a cap. But as y'all will see in my next few videos, my hair very much grew and got longer. So I just love proving people wrong. So yeah, if you just don't have a wig cap, you can absolutely just use Morning Glory or a protective liquid cap and your hair won't come out as long as you do it right. And you moisturize your hair and scalp before you add the Morning Glory and blow dry it. So a lot of people thought on this part with my leave out that I flipped over a track backwards, but that's not what I did. I actually crocheted the hair and then covered it up like that. So this is how it turned out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what hairstyles you want to see next. And don't forget to tap the like button, subscribe, and if you can, hype this video. And leave a comment. You know, I miss you guys. I miss you girls. Okay, we love you. Domination. Bye.